Come on, man, let's go make the video.
Fucking hell. I'm being fucked.
Indigo Production.
Welcome back. So today I'm gonna be tinting headlights. Right, so I got my thingy from Rap Directs, not off eBay, off an actual one. If you're going to do it, buy it from an actual tinting thingy majiggy. And then by no means am I a tinting expert, but I've always wanted to do this, so I'm gonna do it. And then you're gonna watch me. That's how the world works round here. Now this is 1 meter. What do you think, Steve? Oh, look at it. Look at it. So let's begin, shall we? I'm gonna do the E46 ones because I'm not gonna do my ones. That would be bloody mental. They're already DRLs. Whole reason you want people to see them. So what I'm gonna do, you're gonna need a little squeegee. Wait, what? A knife, a squeegee, and a thingy-majiggies. And then what you want to do, yeah, just that. A bit of alcohol. Wipe it off. So, wipe it down, yeah. Oh, also, I'm in my back garden. Did they know? Did you think they knowed?
No.
Do you think they knowed? This is gonna be a colossal shithousery. I know it. Right, get about that much, Sadiq. Let's do a bit of maths. Let's do a bit of maths here, fella. Right, I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna put that, and I'm gonna take about this much here. Whoa, that's sharp, isn't it? Sharp, that, isn't it? Sharp, isn't that? Get off. Right, we'll save that for later. As you can tell, I'm an entrepreneur. You know what I mean, Sadiq? Mate, folks, my stomach's full, Sadiq. I don't feel well. I think that pizza was off. Did you make it, Sadiq? You fucking bitch, I'm talking to you. Just fucking answer me, man. Fucking hell, I just tinted it, eh? Let me try it. Well, yeah, this ain't gonna stand still, I know this. Okay, so, once you get your tint... Where the fuck is that? Oh, where's my heat gun? Fucking oh, you got it. Right, let's get down to business then. No mucking about. No fucking about. Right. So when you get it, it's gonna have a sticky side. Let's just determine. Get a close up here, Sadiq. Get a close up. Get that open. Fucking come here, you shithouse. Fuck me, I'm gonna smash something in a minute. Oh yeah. Come on, come on. So it's gonna have, see that there, Sadiq? Can you see it, Sadiq? It's opening up. Yeah, so that's not sticky, so that's gonna go on the outside. So you wanna leave that side on. The other side should be sticky. Close up with this, you got fag end.
What?
Get close up, quick! They might miss it! They might miss it! Mate, this is a sticky situation. We got ourselves a situation here. We can't seem to open the fucking door. I'm gonna fucking smash you in a minute, mate. Give it a minute here, will ya, fella? Oh, for fuck's sake. This is quality video, this. Man, struggling to open fucking... Yes. Look at this, Sadiq. Look at it. That's the sticky side. This is the side that we need to stick onto this. Now, as you can tell, this is a big headlight. Okay? This is a big headlight. So what I'm gonna do, get half of it, open half of it, about that much, open half, get your little fucking squidgy, and you want to remove half of the. Come here, Sadiq, get close up. Come here. No, get up, you little fucking fucker. See here. See that bubble there? That's why I didn't open the whole thing, so I could just rest it there. See that? Because you don't want to use. There we go. See that? We got rid of him. Got rid of that bubble. Get rid of him. And just work with it, mate. Just work with it. Beautiful, mate. Beautiful. Beautiful. Do you think this is going to work out, Steve? I think I'm going to fuck you up, yeah. I think I'm going to ruin it and mess it up. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Bing, bing, bing. Bing, bing, bing. Bing, 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 bing. See how I'm working at it? That's what you want to do. I think it's gonna fuck up, but we'll see anyway. Look at that. Look at that. And just work at it. Yeah, come on, Ella. Oh, beautiful, mate. Right, you can take a seat now, Sadiq. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Right, as you can see, we've got bubbles here. Right, we have bubbles. We don't need bubbles. You little son of a bitch. Right, what'd you do next to the? Oh, fucking. Do you think I'll get heat on it? Get a bit of fucking heat on it, cunt. And it'll be golden. Okay. The thing is, with these bubbles, I just pop them. I'll give them a little one. Sadiq, are you recording this on me? Like, look, Sadiq, I'll just give it a that'll be perfectly fine, mate. I think that's good, that. Let's just see how it works, innit? Right. This is where I put heat on it. Beautiful, that is. Don't you think, mate? What in fuck's name? Don't you tell me you broken. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, just work at it. Just work at it. Yeah, bro. Fucking shit, this. I already know this is gone to fuck me. It is effort, this. Whoever does this for a living, I rate you, bro. This is. Man, how do I get them fuckers out there? Look at that, bro. He's just in there, bro. Wait, bro. I can work at him. Oh, you just got to put a bit of elbow grease into it. Shall I use the sharper side? Oh, well, fucking hell, heavy artillery's come out now. Heavy artillery. That ain't gone. I don't think it did enough. Man, we're already fucked. I think I'm working out, isn't it? Look at that, I'm squeegeeing the bubbles out. Look at that. Look at it. Golden, that is. Is it ready?
Oh, no.
Look at the fucking bubbles, bro.
Leave it.
Leave it. What do you think? Yeah, I ain't made for this. I'll tell you that much. I ain't fucking made for this. Yeah, I don't know how to get them out, bro. What if I just pop them now? Pop them there. Well, when do you use this? Like that? Oh, mate, I fucking burnt it. Yeah, bro. Let's just play dot to dot with them. Let's pop that. Let's pop that. Pop that. Yeah, yo, see that? Yo, this is the one, bro. And then you give it a little heat, bro. Mate, it's blended, bro. See that? Look, see this, Sadiq? Video. Yeah. Pop him, yeah. Give him a little yeet. Ah, beautiful, mate, beautiful. Give him a little Mate, he's gone. Golden, mate. This is all you do, mate. I found cheap gold. Pop there. I think I burnt that one though, I'm not gonna lie. I burnt him. Pop. 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 Can you see? Can you not see it? Yeah, bro, I'm just popping all of them. I think this is how you do it. Golden. Done, mate. Easy, this. I don't know what you people complaining about. Easy, this. Easy as. And just give it a fucking massage like that. Over everything I've popped. Get all the air out. Oh, missed two here. See that, Sadiq? Can you see it? Yeah, bro. Bang. 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 Yeah. Look at him. Where are they, bro? Gone? Gone. Gone, mate. I'm 100% sure this is not how you do it, but... Right, let me pop all these, and then we'll get back to... Right, now I think I've popped all the thingy majiggies, and then all you gotta do is, I think you just do that, mate. You know what I mean, Sadiq? Look at that. Get it over. Melt it a bit. Oh boy! Come on now! Come on now! Easy this. Easy this. See what I'm doing, Sadiq? Working at it, melting it, fucking giving it a one time. Melt it. Give it a little poke. Oh, this got a little thing in it. Little thing there, but. Little thing there, but. Oh, beautiful that is. Look at that. Yeah. Look at it, Sadiq. Can you see it? Yeah, I'm a fucking professional, lad. Look at it. Oh, mate. It's coming along now. Beautiful, mate. Look at it, Sadiq. Look at it. Yeah, look at it. It's done that, eh? Hey, I tell you what, that is shit, that, innit? I wonder how it's gonna look when this is, once I take the thing out. What do you think, Sadiq?
Yeah.
Fucking knobhead. Yeah. I've done that. Alright. Now, what do I do now? May just remove all the thing, innit? Move all that access. Move it over. That's what you do, mate. I'm a fucking doctor. Doctor H4, report to Ward 5. Alright, I report to Ward 5. Ah, yeah, buddy. Not like that. See what you can see here that I'm doing. I don't have a clue what I'm doing, but I'm just acting like I'm doing something, so it just does it, mate. No, I think it should just all peel away. Yes. We got ourselves a little situation. We got ourselves into a sticky situation. Mate, what do you think, say? Done that, innit? Done us. Now, how do I take? Man, that shit, that. Look at all the bubbles there, see? Be alright, innit? Be alright. Now, what I need to do is, look at this. This ain't even a fucking tutorial, mama. This is me just fucking. Look at it. Look at that. This is the finished product.
Did you just take it all off?
No, you idiot, that's the tint now, you fucking nonce.
Oh.
Not paying attention. Look at this state of that. Look at that fucking holes. You can see all the holes in there, see all the bubbles. Man. Shit up.
Oh my.
I ain't made for this.
I'm living